Jurisdiction clauses. They're often hidden, but always important. This case highlights how crucial it is to understand the fine print, especially in international shipping. Let's break down this complex legal battle in a way that's easy to digest. The core issue: where will disputes be settled? The heart of the matter revolves around jurisdiction. Which court has the authority to hear a case? In this scenario, the High Court of England upheld the English law jurisdiction clauses within the Bills of Lading. But how did they get there, and why does it matter? Issue 1. Incorporation of terms. The Bills of Lading, the documents that govern the shipping agreement, incorporated MSC's terms and conditions. These terms were printed on the back of the bills. The front of the bill directed readers to the reverse side and to a more comprehensive version available on MSC's website. The court found that simply referencing the website was sufficient to incorporate these terms. This means that even if you didn't read the fine print, you're still bound by it. Issue 2. Interglobal's binding obligations. Interglobal, the party receiving the goods, was bound by these terms due to the Carriage of Goods by Sea Act 1992, COGSA 1992. This act essentially means they stepped into the shoes of the original contract party, inheriting both rights and responsibilities. The court provided 3 key reasons for this. First, Interglobal, as the consignee, acquired all rights under the contract. Second, by taking delivery, they accepted all liabilities, including the jurisdiction clause. Third, making claims in Nigeria under the Bills of Lading also meant accepting the same liabilities. But here's where it gets controversial. Interglobal argued they didn't have notice of the terms because the provided scans of the Bills of Lading didn't include the reverse side. The court dismissed this, stating that COGSA doesn't require specific notice. Furthermore, the court pointed out that the reference to the terms on MSC's website provided reasonable notice under common law. Issue 3. Interglobal's arguments dismissed. Interglobal put forward several arguments, all of which were rejected by the court. Nigerian law. Their reliance on the Nigerian Admiralty Jurisdiction Act 1991 was dismissed. English conflict of law principles applied. Appropriate forum. Their argument that Nigeria was the most appropriate forum was also dismissed. The court focused on the agreement between the parties, not on which forum was most suitable. Submission to jurisdiction. The court determined that MSC hadn't submitted to Nigerian jurisdiction. This was a question of English law. Disclosure. Finally, the court found no failure by MSC to provide full and frank disclosure. In essence, the court prioritized the contractual agreements and English law. And this is the part most people miss: the importance of understanding the fine print, especially in international trade. It's a reminder to always read the terms and conditions, no matter how tedious they may seem. What do you think? Do you agree with the court's decision? Do you think the website reference was sufficient notice? Share your thoughts in the comments below.